Hey, it's Brooke with WTI. If you want to have a little fun with your family and get really active at the same time, you got to try out this pickleball set. This is by GOALSO. I'm blown away by this pickleball set. It comes with everything that you need. It's so compact, all in this zip around bag. I like that it has 4 paddles that are different neon colors, as well as 4 different neon colored balls. They work really great. The paddle is a 4.1-inch circumference, which makes hitting the ball really easy. It also comes with some extra tape if you want to tape the handle. I didn't need to. I felt like my handle was perfect already, and I didn't have any slipping at all. The honeycomb core makes it fun for hitting. Even the sound of the pickleball is kind of interesting and enjoyable to listen to. I can play for a very long period of time because the paddles aren't very heavy, and I felt like my kids really enjoyed this as well. It's such a fun family activity to do. We love it. It is so fun to play with, and this makes being active enjoyable. So you got to try it. But that's just my point of view.